Methodology is followed for the software development and earlier stages. So when I say waterfall model, it consists of 5 stages. First is communication, followed by planning, then model, then construction, and finally deployment. When I say communication, this means that like communicating with all the stakeholders, not only the client. We have to collect the requirements from all the stakeholders. Say, for example, from the developer, from the testing, from the client. So we start with the requirements gathering at this stage. So we collect the requirements from all the stakeholders, and then we go for fine-tuning the requirements. Then after collecting the requirements, the next stage is planning. So here we go for like when I say planning for the project, I will check the effort estimation and maybe cost estimation, then project scheduling. Say for example, when we have to start the task, and when we have to end the task, how much time will be taken, and maybe the activities related with the tracking. Say for example, whether we are going according to the schedule, whether we are on track, all this will be planned. All the activities related to the estimation, scheduling, and tracking will be planned in the second stage. Then the third stage is like we have to create a model. Model is nothing but a representation of the system. So mostly in software development, we will be using a graphical representation, which we use a term called the software architecture of software design. So the entire system we will represent as a diagrammatic representation in the third step. After the diagrammatic, we will go for writing the code. We will not directly after collecting the requirements, we don't go for writing the code. We create a model and then we go for writing the code. Then after writing the code, maybe we will go for testing the code, and if any errors are there, we go for rectifying it. And finally, after testing, the entire system is done. Now we go for delivering it to the customer, and then we go for maintenance, collect the feedback, and fine tune the system. So from the diagram, you can see that it's going to follow a linear approach, a linear sequence is followed in carrying out the task. So that is why we also say this is a linear sequential model. So this one, when I say waterfall model, it is the very oldest methodology which is being adapted in the software industries. But now we are not using waterfall model. Mostly all the industries are now adapting to the agile methodologies. So maybe in the next lecture we will see about what are the principles followed in agile methodology and how the framework will be developed in the agile methodologies. So this is regarding the phases involved in software development using the waterfall model. So as I told you, it's going to follow a linear sequential approach and this is the very oldest methodology which is followed for software development. And one more thing is when we have to choose this type of methodology. Say for example, we have a clear objective. So we know what we want, what are the features we need in the system. Very clear idea about what we want in the system. And the requirements are going to be stable. So most of the time, nowadays the requirements are not stable. So that is why now we are not following the waterfall model. Mostly we are following the agile methodologies. Okay. So whenever the requirements are clear, then we can go for waterfall model. Next is like one main drawback of this model is like since we are following a sequential approach, if we are stuck up in any one of these states, then we cannot proceed further since we are following sequential approach. So this is one drawback of the waterfall model. And Otherwise, it is like if you are having a stable requirement, means we can choose a waterfall model. Only if you are having a stable requirement and if you are very clear about the requirement, then we can go for choosing this type of model for development. If not, you have to go for the other methodologies. And one more drawback is like it is really tough to convince the customer. Because we are going to have a clear objective and we are not going to make any changes in the requirements further. So you have to convince the customer, which may be a tough task. So this is regarding the drawbacks of the waterfall model. So to conclude, if you are clear with the objective and if you have a stable requirements, you can go for this waterfall model. If not, if you are not having a clear objective, then you can go for the other methodologies like evolutionary model or agile model. In my next video lecture, I will give you the features of agile methodologies. For what type of projects you can choose an agile methodology.